Is it time to buy or sell UnitedHealth Group stock? In this video, we're diving deep into UnitedHealth Group. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 9th of July, 2025. And now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 9th of July, 2025, our system has ranked UnitedHealth Group as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -3.8. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. We will continue to monitor this evaluation to see how it develops in the upcoming days. The stock is currently situated within a broad and declining trend in the short term, indicating that further declines are anticipated. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential decrease of approximately 37% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from a decline of nearly 71% to just over 21%. In the longer term, our 12-month analysis predicts a change of about 34%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could fluctuate between a decline of nearly 49% and an increase of 16% over the coming year. In practical terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $154.60 and $352.17. Our latest daily update for UnitedHealth Group includes the headline, UnitedHealth Group stock downgraded from hold accumulate to sell candidate after Wednesday trading session. On the last trading day, which was Wednesday, the 9th of July, 2025, the UnitedHealth Group stock price declined by 1.56%, falling from $307.70 to $302.91. During the day, the stock experienced fluctuations of 1.60%, with a low of $298.82 and a high of $303.60. Although the price has risen in 6 of the last 10 days, it remains down by 0.89% for this period. Trading volume increased by 5 million shares on the last day, despite the declining prices. This could signal an early warning, indicating a slightly increased risk over the next couple of days. In total, 13 million shares changed hands for approximately $3.84 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached $630.73, while the lowest price was $248.88. Currently, the price is 51.97%, or $327.82, below the 52-week high of $630.73, which is also the all-time high for the stock. UnitedHealth Group is currently confronting significant challenges as the U.S. Department of Justice investigates alleged Medicare fraud involving former employees. Reports suggest that these investigations began last summer and focus on practices that encouraged staff to document diagnoses aimed at increasing Medicare payments. This scrutiny arises amid renewed legal pressures, with shareholders initiating additional lawsuits related to these billing practices, which could have serious consequences for the company. Historically, the stock has shown resilience. However, these ongoing legal and regulatory challenges may introduce volatility in the short term, potentially undermining investor confidence. If the investigation reveals serious misconduct, it could result in substantial fines or necessitate changes in operational practices, which may affect future profitability. On a slightly more positive note, some insiders and congressional members are reportedly acquiring shares in UnitedHealth, possibly reflecting confidence in the company's fundamentals despite the recent turmoil. Nevertheless, in the long run, persistent issues regarding regulatory compliance could significantly impact market perception, potentially limiting stock performance as investors assess the long-term viability of the business in light of these developments. As the situation evolves, it will be essential for investors to remain vigilant. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, June 25, 2025, it was reported that UBS assigned UnitedHealth Group a buy rating accompanied by a hold action. On Friday, June 6, 2025, it was reported that Barclays designated UnitedHealth Group with an overweight rating along with a hold action. On the same day, Friday, June 6, 2025, Piper Sandler also assigned an overweight rating to UnitedHealth Group with a corresponding hold action. Additionally, on Friday, June 6, 2025, Wells Fargo provided UnitedHealth Group with an overweight rating and a hold action. Earlier, on Monday, June 2, 2025, KeyBank reported a negative rating for UnitedHealth Group, also with a hold action. Analysts have assigned a general neutral rating to the stock of UnitedHealth Group. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as sell and the price-to-book ratio as sell as well. However, for return on investment, analysts have rated the stock as buy. The following signals have been identified for UnitedHealth Group. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Thursday, the 15th of May, 2025, and so far, it has risen approximately 10.41%. Further increases are indicated until a new top pivot has been established. However, some negative signals have also been issued, which may influence the near short-term development. The UnitedHealth Group stock currently holds sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, presenting a more negative forecast for the stock. On upward corrections, there will be resistance from the lines at $309.84 and $305.59. A breakout above any of these levels will trigger buy signals. Additionally, there is presently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, known as MACD. Volume increased despite falling prices yesterday, which may serve as an early warning, indicating that the stock should be monitored more closely. Here are some additional signals you might find intriguing. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots show a buy signal from 37 days ago. Bollinger suggests a buy signal from 6 days ago. The short-term moving average indicates a sell signal from 6 days ago. The long-term moving average also shows a sell signal from 4 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggests a buy signal from 7 days ago. Observing the 12-month chart reveals the short moving average indicates a sell signal from 4 days ago. The long-term moving average shows a sell signal from 57 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 52 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for UnitedHealth Group. UnitedHealth Group finds support from accumulated volume at $296.67. And this level may hold a buying opportunity as an upward reaction can be expected when the support is being tested. This stock is typically traded at a solid volume, and with minor daily fluctuations, the risk is considered to be low. Over the last day, the stock moved $4.78, which is 1.6% between its high and low. For the past week, the stock has experienced an average daily volatility of 2.4%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for UnitedHealth Group, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. A relatively low PE ratio could signal a low expectation for the future of the company, or that the stock is undervalued, indicating a potential buying opportunity. In other news, the next earnings report for the third quarter of 2025 is expected on the 29th of July, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at $5.08. Keep an eye on these numbers, as they can greatly impact stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for UnitedHealth Group. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for UnitedHealth Group is at $302.98. If you don't own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, UnitedHealth Group encounters its first support level at $296.67. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for UnitedHealth Group from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now, let's explore some recent insider trades. On the first day of July in the year 2025, Stephen J. Hemsley made an insider purchase of 198 shares of common stock. On the same day, Timothy Patrick Flynn conducted an insider purchase of 288 shares of common stock. Also, on that day, Michelle J. Hooper made an insider purchase of 173 shares of common stock. Frederick William McNabb III also made an insider purchase of 294 shares of common stock on that date. Finally, John H. Noseworthy conducted an insider purchase of 288 shares of common stock on the same day. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find that insider activity reflects a positive power with a ratio of 96.470. In total, insiders have purchased 873,925 shares and sold 11,097 shares in these last 100 trades. We have a negative evaluation for this stock, and there is currently no stop loss in place. Is UnitedHealth Group stock a good buy? Currently, UnitedHealth Group exhibits several negative indicators and is caught in a broad declining trend. As a result, we anticipate continued weak performance in the upcoming days or weeks. Our evaluation of this stock remains negative. Due to some minor weaknesses identified in the technical analysis, we have adjusted our conclusion from a hold or accumulate to a sell recommendation. After reviewing the volatility and price movements from the last trading session, our analysis indicates that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Thursday, the 10th of July, we expect UnitedHealth Group to open lower by $1.13, beginning the session at $301.78. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. You should not base your investment decisions solely on StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.